Hey guys! Today was written how to block a hotspot user on your iPhone so that they won't connect on your device anymore. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys, and somewhat of a no-brainer, because what we actually need to do for some girlfriends to do this is to go ahead and access your personal hotspot through your settings. So this is going to be pretty easy to block a specific person to access your personal hotspot, because once you have your personal hotspot on, of course, over on your settings, just tap on personal hotspot, and once this is on, in order for you to block a person that they won't get connected already, once they have already connected to your personal hotspot, is to easily just change the password. So just go ahead and change a few symbols on your password, and of course, doing this will remove current users that is currently connected on your hotspot, and also not let them go back on your hotspot as well. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.